Recording the sewer line here at 7318 Latona Avenue Northeast. Dates November 24th, 2020. Making this recording from the newly installed cleanout as part of the sewer repair project done by Bob Oates. What we're looking at right there is the Seattle City main flowing by. We're going to pull back from the main and get a look at all the work that's been performed here on site. So as we come back into the personal line of 7318, you're immediately going into, go back down a little bit please, that 6-inch permaliner we installed. So there's a permaliner installed that ends right there about 6 inches short of the main. Again, this is 6-inch diameter permaliner we've installed here. Coming back into our repair and up out of the pipe. There's the clean out. Go upstream for me please, Liam. Then we go upstream, short little liner, oops, right there into the cast iron pipe. So we did a short liner upstream into the cast. Keep going up again actually, Liam. Just show you the cast iron inside the house here. This is all untouched. Everything outside's been replaced now. Alright, right there is a turn. We've gone far enough back inside. Let's get a good look at the cast. I'm going to end the video there. And you got to look at the recording, or the new line.